So this question is from GATE 2021 instrumentation branch. It says that the input output relationship of an LTI system is given below. So this is an input output relationship of an LTI system. This is an input 1 at time t equal to 0, and this is the output. So now it says that for an input shown below, that 0 it is 1 and 1 it is 2. The peak, so we have to find the peak value of the output when x of n passes through h, and options are A5, B2, C4, D6. So first of all we can see that this is a impulse response of the system, because this is impulse at time t equal to 0. There is an impulse of magnitude 1 and this is the output. So we can say that we are given the impulse response of the system. So the impulse response of the system, we can write it as, at 0 it has magnitude 1. So impulse response is because this is an impulse input, so its output will be an impulse response. So impulse response will be equal to, at 0 the magnitude is 1, so delta n. At 1 the magnitude is 2, so 2 delta n minus 1, because at time instant 1 the magnitude is 2. Then at time instant 2 the magnitude is 1, so delta n minus 2. So from this data we can find the impulse response of this system. Now the input is shown below. So the input consists of two impulses. There is one impulse at time t equal to 0 and another impulse is at time t equal to 1. So input is equal to delta n plus 2 delta n minus 1. So we now know the input as well and we know the impulse response as well. So to find the output we have two methods. First of all we can use the convolution. So y of n will be equal to x of n convolution with h of n. X of n convolution with h of n. So the impulse, this is h of n and this is x of n. This is h of n, impulse response, and input x of n is this. So we have to convolve these two signals. So the convolution of impulse is an impulse only. So first of all we convolve delta n with all these three. So convolution of delta n with delta n will be delta n only. Then convolution of delta n with 2 delta n minus 1 will be 2 delta n minus 1 only. Then convolution of delta n with delta n minus 2 will again be delta n minus 2. Now we have to convolve 2 delta n minus 1 with delta n. So it will be 2 delta n minus 1. 2 delta n minus 1. Then convolution of 2 delta n minus 1 with 2 delta n minus 1. So magnitude will multiply and both the time will add. So 4 delta n minus 2. Then convolution of 2 delta n minus 1 with delta n minus 2. So it will be 2 delta n minus 3. So this is the convolution result. Convolution of delta n with delta n is delta n. Then convolution of delta n with 2 delta n minus 1 is 2 delta n minus 1. Then convolution of delta n with delta n minus 2 is delta n minus 2. Then convolution of 2 delta n minus 1 with delta n is 2 delta n minus 1. Then convolution of 2 delta n minus n with 2 delta n is n minus 1 is 4 delta n minus 2. Then convolution of 2 delta n minus 1 with delta n minus 2 is 2 delta n minus 3. Just multiply the magnitude and add the time. So there are 2 delta n minus 1 and 2 delta n minus 1. So it will give 4 delta n minus 1. These will add. So this will be equal to 4 delta n minus 1. Then 4 delta n minus 2 plus delta n minus 2. So it will give 5 delta n minus 2. So it will be 5 delta n minus 2. Then 2 delta n minus 3. So the maximum, So we have to find the peak value of the output. So we can see that the peak value of the output is 5. The magnitude of the peak value is 5. Output is like this. The output consists of 4 impulses, 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the magnitude of impulse at 0 is 1. The magnitude of impulse at 1 is 4. The magnitude of impulse at 2 is 5. And the magnitude of impulse at 3 is 2. So the peak amplitude is 5. So the correct answer is A5. So this was the first method. We can use another method, which is the matrix method. So if we write here like this, so H of n, so we can use the matrix method also, and matrix method is like this. H of n, x of n. So H of n is 1, 2 and 1. So 1, 2 and 1. And H of n is 1 and 2. So now multiply 1 with 1 is 1, 1 with 2 is 2, 1 with 1 is 1. Multiply 2 with 1 is 2, multiply 2 with 2 is 4, multiply 2 with 1 is 2. Now form the group. So first group will consist of 1, the second group will consist of 2 and 2, the third group will consist of 4 and 1, and the fourth group will consist of 2 only. So 1, 4, 5 and 2. So again we are getting the same output, 1, 4, 5 and 2. 1, 4, 5 and 2. So again with this method also the peak value is 5 only. So the correct answer is 5. A option is the correct option. So this was a very easy question from GATE 2021 instrumentation branch. So please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. And I have solved many other GATE previous year questions as well. So you can watch them. I will give the playlist link in the description box of this video. Thank you and best of luck for exams.